everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know this is a completely different style of how I usually start my videos, but excuse my broken nail. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Hannah and today's video is a highly requested video. So I thought I would show you guys my Instagram, YouTube filming setup. So this is very different for me because I'm not the vlogging type. I'm sorry if the camera's all shaky. But yeah, if you want to see what my setup is like and any tips for Instagram and YouTube filming, then stay tuned. I'm going to show you around, sorry for the noises in the background, I'm going to show you around my filming setup. It is very small because it is in my bedroom, and excuse the mess in my room. I thought, do you know what, because it will help out a lot of you guys that are wanting to start using YouTube or wanting to start doing filming or Instagram and whatnot. So I'm aiming for mainly YouTube and Instagram videos. So you can also use this for pictures and whatnot. This is just my filming setup overall, but I thought, why don't I show you my filming setup and any little tips and tricks to help you guys. Now, disclaimer, just saying, you don't have to have this to be an amazing YouTuber. It doesn't work like that. I'm not an amazing YouTuber. I'm not amazing at Instagram or none of this. You do not need this excessive amount of like kit and whatnot. Obviously mine isn't like fully advanced, but it isn't basic at the same time. When I started off my first YouTube video, if you want to scroll back, I wouldn't advise because it was awful. My first YouTube video, I only had one softbox. Now originally I was determined that I thought I'm going to start with something, and I was researching and watching these type of videos, and softboxes were a hit. Now don't get me wrong, ring light's pretty good. I have right now, I'll show you what I have in a minute, but I originally started off with one softbox from Amazon. Everything, all the products are going to be linked in the description, so just stay tuned for that. Anyways, if you not stay tuned, you can go down there. But yeah, I just started off with one softbox from Newer on Amazon. It was like £20 or £24 or something like that. I would 100% advise you doing that. If not, honestly, if you've got a window lighting, if it's not like my windows, then maybe not. You can also just use different forms of lighting, but I would advise, if you want to properly get into it and you can afford to spend, then maybe get a softbox. I then went from a softbox to two softboxes, and then I recently, in the past month, have upgraded from two softboxes to two softboxes and a ring light. So that is everything that I have. This is the background that you see in all of my YouTube videos and my Instagram videos. I originally was gonna get a white background or like coloured background. That will probably come in the future. But also a disclaimer, all of my videos, why has the lighting gone off? This is what I mean by this is what happens when you're a YouTuber or an Instagrammer. Things just go wrong. They're back. So as I was saying, for those who are actually wondering what I film on, I just use my iPhone 8. I'm literally using this right now. I'm using a front camera right now, but in a minute, to show you my lighting, I will use my back camera. Now, I'm not a photographer. I don't know anything about lighting. I don't know much about lighting, so you can probably search this up. I'm not going to give you any tips on lighting in terms of how to do all that jazz, because your girl still doesn't know. But yeah, so I'm just going to get straight into it and show you my setup. I'm going to show you how I do all my makeup on my setting, on my filming table. I'm not going to show you my makeup collection. That is going to be for another video. But yeah, if you want to see my filming setup, then yeah. As we walk into my room, excuse like my bed, everything is so messy. This is my filming area. Now excuse the table. I'm going to show you all the details from where all of this is from in a or in a minute, so just stay tuned. Now this is the famous filming wall. This is just the wall in my bedroom that I film on. I have my chair, I have my table, and I have my lighting. This is like the first time I'm doing these type of videos, so I do apologise. So this is all my lighting, my table, and then I have the rest of my room. If you guys want, I'm happy to do like a room tour. My room is extremely messy, but I'm happy to do a room tour if you like. But if you want to see a room tour, thumbs up and comment down below. So my filming setup, as you can see, I have a broken softbox right there. I do apologise. Yeah, I'm going to put all the details of my filming setup down below in the description, so please feel free to just check this out. So as we go to the first bit, which is my chair was from Amazon, and it was around £18 or something. It's got hair on it, I do apologise. Hair is from Amazon. I have my wires all down there. Hello Cute socks right here. So yeah, anyways, this is my lighting down here. And then, so yeah, my chair is from Amazon. It is not great quality because I've had it for a couple of years, but when I first got it, the screws didn't go in properly, like they weren't measured correctly to fit in the screw hole. So the chair is broken, so there's every now and then the screws come out and whatnot. Now this table right here, I actually wouldn't recommend getting for filming because you would probably want to get the Alex drawers. So I don't know if you can see, this is the table that I have. It has like the drawers in here, I've got my sponges, other bits of makeup and whatnot, and then in here I have my hair stuff. It is dirty, I do apologise. Yeah, this table's from IKEA. It was about £60, so you do get quite good quality for your money. This is what the table looks like. Yeah, so this is what the table looks like. It's nothing like jazzy in a sense. Sorry, I do apologise on my nails. I do not know how to do this. Isn't anything jazzy. I originally got this just to store stuff. Originally it was my study table for college. I got this years ago, maybe about 4 years ago, and I thought, you know what, I need something for studying. That is why all of this muck is here, because I just used to, you guys will feel me. That is the table right here. It was around £60. You can get it if you want, if you've only got a small little collection, or you just want a lot of space and you don't want the Alex drawers. I'm hopefully going to update my little seating area and get 2 Alex drawers and a tabletop. So this is what my actual filming looks like. Now I know I'm going to get a lot of you saying, oh Hannah, why don't you have the covers on here? It's good for, I don't know, do you know what? I don't even realise why you should have the covers on there. I don't know if it's just me, but I get more lighting from not having it. And I know it's to adjust the filters and things like that, and it makes the picture look better. But if you see from my Instagram videos and YouTube videos, it makes no difference. So I would actually advise not having the covering on here unless you've got really sensitive eyes. If you've got really sensitive eyes, I wouldn't suggest this, but because I can handle quite a lot of light, it doesn't bother me. But I will put all the details onto what these soft boxes are. These two are exactly the same, however they've got slightly different bulbs because that bulb broke. And yeah, and this ring light right here, if I can, this one's a dimmable light, as you can see. You can brighten it up and you can make it deep and then it turns off. So this one is a little bit more expensive, I think. This was around £70 to £80. These are about £20 to £24 each. So I would honestly just start off by just using one softbox. That is all you need. Now, this is what my filming looks like. As you guys, I've already showed you. I've got a mirror that I use. This was, I think, was from Morrison's in the UK, but I'm sure you can get these on Amazon all the time. It is light up, but I didn't put the batteries in it, I don't think. Did I? Yeah, let me turn it on for you. Yeah, I don't think it works. I think I might have taken the batteries out of it. No, it doesn't work. Yeah, but these light up as like LED lights as well, but we don't use them. So yeah, I have this acrylic storage right here. If I sit down for you guys, my phone in this little section right here. It's quite good. This came with the actual ring light, and it also came with this little gadget right here, which is really, really handy actually. Right here is, have I actually made things all blurry? I don't even understand these cameras. Yeah, so this is like a Bluetooth type of thingamabob. So this actually makes it really, really easy for you if you want to have your phone up on here, and you don't want to be having to tap around and stuff like that. So yeah, this is really, really good, but it comes with it anyway. So yeah, onto this section right here. This right here is really handy. This right here is my acrylic sets. Now this is from eBay. This is about £13, I want to say. Or was it around £13? I'll put it in the description anyway, the link to the buyer. I put all of my skincare in here. So this is originally like a perfume holder, but if I bring it forward, I just put all of my skincare stuff in here. So the skincare, we have like The Ordinary, Revolution skincare, we have loads of stuff on this. Ooh. All of their serums in here. Then we have some Nip and Fab. Pixie are one of my all-time faves. There is a hair on that, but excuse me. We have Liz Earl, which I'm loving. We have Base Lift, which I am obsessed with. The Body Shop, all of that jazz. It doesn't fit a lot on here. I assume that this was going to be bigger, but this is really, really handy if you are constantly buying skincare. Excuse my ugly nail. If you're constantly buying skincare and you need something to hold your main skincare stuff, because honestly, what I will say to you guys is when you are filming, it gets really, really annoying when you have to keep getting up to get products. Unless you've got like all your makeup products in like your side drawers or something like that, then it isn't. But I'm going to show you a little hack, not even a little hack, something I just do to make things easier for you, especially if you're like me and you film loads of Instagram videos and stuff like that. So then we move on, we have like my micellar water and another, what is this? This is a collagen moisturizer. This is very, very similar to the, what's it called? The Clinique Moisture Surge, I think it is. We move on to my brushes right here. Now, this is my main brushes. I've got a whole drawer over there full of other brushes, but these are the main brushes I go for on a daily basis. So right here in my highlighter brushes, my main ones. I've got my powder, foundation, concealer, bronzer, and then all of my main eyeshadow brushes in here. So I have brushes like Morphe, they aren't all dirty, I do apologise. Then we have like my main setting sprays. Always have your setting sprays near you so you can just grab them and be done with it. Obviously, of course, I've got to have a glass of water by me all the time. So that is my brush section. Then we have this section right here, as you guys can see. It's just my mirror, like I've told you. I've just got an extra lash box. I'm quite like not very good at these things, and I just used a box because I need my mirror to be up a certain height because I'm tall. Now this acrylic set's from Primark. I don't like this because you can fit nothing in here. It's dirty, I know. Don't judge me, people. You know when you just can't be bothered to clean? That is just me. Yeah, so that's this section right here. Then, don't know why this is there. This is really good, by the way. I'm just going to go a mini shout out to Lizelle. This Intensive Nourishing Treatment Mask. This is really, really nice. I put this on yesterday and I left this on for hours and I forgot that it was on my face. But yeah, I really, really would recommend this. This is just my little go-to section when I'm filming. So, or even if I'm not filming, and for example, I do eyeshadow looks on Instagram, so if you haven't seen my eyeshadow looks, then please feel free to just check out my Instagrams at hanstluce. But right here, in this little pot right here, this was from eBay, right? Now, eBay is one deceiving hellhole. I'm telling you this now because this was supposed to be large. Now, this is tiny. Like, if I show you my bakery powder, it's not that big. Yeah, it can only fit like a few brow pomades and things like that. And this was supposed to be large, and this was £3. I thought, bloody hell, this was £3. But yeah, in here I just have my main pigments, so my everyday go-to pigments. Now I have a whole box full of pigments, but I just make sure that I have my main ones right here. We have ones from Blush Tribe. These are gorgeous. The Blush Tribe pigments are the best pigments around. We also have like brow pomades such as the Morphe brow pomade, the Anastasia brow pomade, and then we also have the Sigma gel liner in Wicked. We also have Blush Tribe, what's this, like pigment glue, and then we have some Glamville Daily pigments. These are really, really good. This little bad boy right here is really, really handy. Now, when you do YouTube videos and Instagram videos like me, my Instagram video, girls and boys, preferably, I always have go-to products that I have. Now I know a lot of you already have that in your makeup collection where you have a set of products that you always go to. These products right here are my everyday like go-to products when I want to do Instagram videos. If you have these in your Instagram videos, your videos will do well automatically. So this product right here is the Beauty Bakery setting powder in yellow. You can get this in Boots, I think for £16 or £20 with the brush and the beauty egg. This is really, really good. These products right here, when you put them in your YouTube when you put them in your Instagram videos, they do exceptionally well. I don't know why that is. If you use them as your thumbnail, like if you use this Makeup Revolution Concealer and Define foundation as your thumbnail, the video will do good. I don't know why that is, but it just will do good. So this little section right here is something that I would highly suggest you guys doing, because when you want to just do a quick glam look and you haven't got time for your Instagram videos and you don't want to be selecting through all your foundations, just pick a little set of mainly your base products and just go from there. And then lastly right here, which I'm like raving about, I'm so excited about, like I'm so blessed that I have this. Obviously, if you haven't tried yet, this Pixie Glow Tonic, it's the glycolic one from Pixie, is amazing. This one's not open because, as you guys can see, if I show you here, I've got Pixie. This one I haven't even like gone halfway. This one I haven't even finished halfway yet, so yeah. But I also like the Retinol Tonic and the Rose Tonic, and this is the Rose Oil blend, which is really, really beautiful. But yeah, this Glow Tonic right here is my favourite, and can you guys see? It has my name on it. Like, it has Hannah's Glow Tonic, and it has these cotton pads, people, are the best cotton pads around. Like, I don't know if it's just me, but these cotton pads, I don't know, it just has such a silky cotton vibe to it. Like, I love them. Okay, now we've just contaminated that, but yeah, this is really, really nice. I love it. It's just going to be on my little vanity. Do you call it? Oh, blurry. Okay. Like, do you call this a vanity? I call it a vanity. Vanity. So yeah, I would highly recommend you getting this if you want to try something. Glycolic acid is very, very good for the skin anyway. So yeah, that is basically all of my filming setup right here. I don't really have many tips for you guys. I'm probably just going to have a little chat with you now about things from my YouTube, from my Instagram. But yeah, this is like literally my setup. You can dim, obviously this is dimmable of course. All the details on these soft boxes and ring lights will be in the description. If you have any questions, please feel free to just comment down below or DM me on Instagram. I will be able to help you. I thought we'd just have a quick chat before I end the video on little tips and tricks for YouTube videos and Instagram videos. Preferably Instagram videos because I'm more popping on Instagram than YouTube at this moment. So yeah, advice I'd give you for if you want to do Instagram videos, I would suggest for Instagram videos to have good lighting. If you don't have good lighting for your YouTube videos, that is okay. You can sort of justify it with the quality of the content, but I would say suggest for Instagram videos to make sure you have a clear background like this, even if it's just a plain wall, whether it's black, whether it's blue, whether it's red, whether it's white, whatever it is, a good just a plain background would really, really stand out, because then the focus is on you instead of it being on everyone else, sort of, not everyone else, everything else in the background. Whether you've got like clothes, you've got your ironing, or whether you've got like a TV in the background, it will take the focus off of your Instagram videos. And because your Instagram videos are only 60 seconds long, it really counts of what you actually present in that 60 seconds. Also, like I said, little techniques like just having your main products there and ready for you makes things a lot more quicker, and you're able to get a lot more done. For example, what I do is I do my eyeshadow looks first, and then I film a full face, and I can split the video up into different techniques, whether it's just like I want a contour routine, or whether I want an eyeshadow routine, or whether I want a full face, etc. Or whether I want a hair video or a skincare video, you have the skincare products over there. If you want a makeup video and you want your best perfect base, then you have them over there. It's just really quick nabby tips that really make filming a lot more quicker for you. And also, if you have a setup ready in there, like I used to, don't get me wrong, I used to every day put my soft boxes up and take them down, put them up, take them down. If you've got a designated area for your filming space and you're able to just leave the soft boxes there, and all you have to do is flip a switch, it's like it's not time consuming, it doesn't take up a lot of time. If you used to be like me and used to have my soft boxes in the corner and it would just cause too much space, and I used to take them down and then put them up every day, it was too time consuming. It was taking 20 minutes for me to even set up. So if you have the lighting the way you like it, if you adjust it to however you want to adjust it, and you have the white background or whatever background that you want, I don't even suggest buying the whole background thing. This is literally my white wall. You can get the shadow in away. Also, if you want, you can put lighting down below you so it brightens the back of you, or you can have like a mirror like down on the table area, which will lighten up underneath your chin area. So yeah, obviously I'm no specialist, I'm not a massive YouTuber. I just hope this helps for you guys anyway. If you have any questions on anything I have mentioned, or the acrylic will be down below. By the way, I will say the brush holders that I have, the two brush holders that I have, are from Zoeva and from Spectrum. I will find them and link them in the description. So from Zoeva and Spectrum. So yeah, I put all the acrylic details down below. I will put my ring lighting and lighting all down below as well. I'll put my table if you want, and my chair down below as well. I'll find a similar chair because I think it might have come out of stock. So yeah, if you are interested in all of that jazz, then yeah, everything's going to be in the description. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on filming or Instagram videos, please feel free to just comment down below or DM me on Instagram. I'm more easier to get hold of because I'm easier to talk to you that way. We're able to have a conversation on lighting and whatnot. If you want to know how to boost your engagement on Instagram, that's something that's really tricky for even bloggers like me nowadays, then please feel free to just click on the cards, or that will also be in the description about how to increase your engagement. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a massive thumbs up for me. I don't like this broken nail. It's going to get fixed tomorrow. So yeah, I hope you guys will take care. I love you, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye.